What's going on, guys? Miles Jackman here, another episode of Just Bassin. Me and my wife are going to Old Crow Island. Gonna dob around a few and see how it goes on a April Thursday night.
There's one. Bucket head too. Wow. Look at that fish, dude. Look at that thing. If that ain't a pre-spawn, I don't know what is. Warm, super green. Give him a little toss. Thanks for playing. So that's pretty textbook bass in here, swim jigging. It's you want to get that a little bit with the braid. So in this deal back here, I mean, this water, I mean, it's just a little flood area, you know. It's 6 inches to a foot deep, so you're just kind of reeling your deal through there. You can try to do a little Alabama shake too, but there's just tricky part is kind of locating them. Kind of cast where that one just was. Another one. The old swim jig. Watch that one eat it. He was sitting shallow. He was sitting shallow. Trials and tribulations of bank fishing, man. Sometimes you catch them, sometimes you don't. I got a weird feeling that I think these fish might have been beat on a little bit, but right on the bank. Right shallow. Well, that's all she wrote. 3 bites and a little after work special. Better than no bites, I guess, but thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.